Hey, there you are. So glad you made it here. I was just thinking about you. Right now I'm using 1/8 inch stainless steel rod. I got it all bit up. Check out this eye hook. This is originally what it looks like. It's really big. You don't want to have a whole lot of play in your linkages. Let me show you how I'm modifying these eye hooks to tighten them up. I got these from Home Depot. Then you got this. So I come over here to the vise. I kind of go this way and come this way. And what you can do, if you know you got 1/8 inch linkages, you can just use this as a guide. It's not too bad. It could be just a hair tighter. But I would say, get your linkages at least this tight. So we got the eye hook, and now we need to make a linkage. When you're trying to figure out how long a linkage you need, sometimes it's nice to use 1/16 inch brass rod just to get it right. And then you can just bend it with needle nose pliers, or check these things out. I got these on Amazon. They're like $8 or $9 maybe. See if it fits the 3/16. Yeah, that'll fit 3/16. Once you know how long a piece of linkage you need, bend it out of some 1/8 inch stuff. And just tighten up those pins. Then you just got to be a tough guy and and refit over there. It's not too easy, but it'll keep you in shape. Just bring it back around. So it looks something like that. Yeah, it's not tight enough for me. So we'll get these cable cutters. I'm gonna do this off camera because it's hard to do. Go this way a little bit. Just like that. Then, I know I got the right size. I'll come in here with a screwdriver, just by twisting the screwdriver. Won't quite go through there, but what you can do, just move it just a little bit. That's probably it right there. Now, that'll fit through there. You could either put it back in the vise, I guess, if you have your crankshaft loose, but this is, pretend this is my crankshaft. Just take the channel locks. You gotta find a good angle. There we go. Just about like that. I'm gonna squeeze it. I don't wanna have to hold that thing though. Alright, we got plenty now. Yeah. That's not too bad. Yeah, that's perfect. But that's not bad. Don't be afraid to put a little lubricant on your linkages. Just put a little drop on there. The other thing is, don't get caught up thinking your linkages have to be straight. You can see this one here. I really got a big wow in there. I wanted to be able to adjust this arm so it wouldn't hit the guitar. It was coming down too much, and so I put a big bend in it to adjust it. So I use this setup, bend my linkages along with the channel locks. That seems to work pretty good. Well, I hope that helps you out with your whirligig linkages. Thanks for stopping by. I sure appreciate it. Please subscribe to my channel. It helps me out a lot. Take care. I'll see you down the trail. Bye now.